Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos directly to your phone's gallery. So, let's begin. First, open Chrome on your mobile phone and search for Pinterest. Tap on the Pinterest website and wait for it to load. Now scroll through your feed and choose any video post you like. Once the video opens, look at the bottom and tap on the Share button. From the options that appear, tap on Copy Link. You'll see a message that says Link Copied. Perfect, now let's move to the next step. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for Pinterest Video Downloader. After that, tap on the first website that appears in the search results. On the downloader page, paste your copied Pinterest link into the text box, and then tap on Download. Scroll down a little and you'll see the video preview along with a Download Video button. Tap on that button and the download will start automatically. Once the video finishes downloading, tap on Save to Files or Save to Gallery, depending on your phone's settings. Now go to your Files app or Gallery, and there you'll find your Pinterest video, fully downloaded and ready to watch or share anytime you want. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful tech tutorials like this.